Namaste to everyone. So today let's speak something about the taste. Everybody likes to have tasty dishes. So today let's know what Ayurveda says about these tastes. So Ayurveda explains about the Shadrasa. Shadrasa is the 6 rasas, that is the Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta and Kashaya. So Madhura is the sweet, Amla is the sour taste, Lavana is salt, Katu pungent, Tikta is bitter and Kashaya is astringent taste. So these have a certain effect on our body and mind. So today let's know what are these effects and when we have to consume it. So what actually is told in Ayurveda is we should have all the 6 rasas in our diet because it is healthy. Consuming only 1 or 2 tastes which you like is not healthy, because sometimes what it happens, like if you like sweets, you start consuming more of sweet in your diet. So it's better you have all the 6 types of taste in your diet to be healthy always. So today let's know more about this. So first thing is, let's know how it affects on the doshas, the 6 rasas, its effect on the 3 doshas. So Madhura, Amla, Lavana, that is the sweet, sour and salty taste, it decreases the vata and increases the kapha. The same thing, Katu, Tikta and Kashaya, it decreases the kapha and increases the vata. Katu, Tikta, Kashaya is the pungent, bitter and the astringent taste. So the next is Katu, Amla and Lavana, it increases the pitta. Madhura, Tikta and Kashaya, it decreases the pitta. Sweet, bitter and astringent taste, it decreases the pitta. Now let's know about each of the rasas. So now let's know about the Madhura rasa or the sweet taste. So sweet taste is made up of Prithvi and Jala, that is the earth and the water. So Madhura rasa is wholesome, it improves your strength, it improves your mind, it soothes your sense organs, it improves your body muscle, bones, bone marrow, and it really gives you lot of energy to your body and mind. So when you consume this Madhura rasa in excess, when excess quantity of sweet is consumed, it leads to Kaphaja rogas like conjunctivitis or obesity or indigestion, cough and headache, vomiting and diarrhea. So next is the Amla rasa, that is the sour taste. It is made up of Prithvi and Agni, that is the earth and the fire. So sour taste, it increases the taste of the food. It pleases your mind, strengthens your body, strengthens your sense organs, it improves your enthusiasm and it is good for digestion and it pleases your mind. So when this Amla rasa is taken in excess, what happens is it increases the pitta and rakta disorders in our body and it causes the burning sensation in the throat, in the heart region and the abdomen when it is consumed more. So now let's know about the salt or the Lavana rasa. So Lavana rasa, as you all know, it gives taste to your food and it increases the digestion, it softens, it has the scraping effect, it has the piercing effect. So what happens when we consume this Lavana rasa in excess? It causes thirst, it causes pitta and rakta disorders. And if you consume this salt taste in excess, it causes giddiness, it causes pitta and rakta disorders, there is more of hair fall, then graying of hair, then it causes the skin diseases, dryness of the skin. Now let's know about the pungent taste or the Katu rasa. So this cleanses the mouth and it improves the digestion, it strengthens our body, it dries up the food, it causes watery nose, sharpens the sense organs, cures inflammation, obesity, urticaria, chronic conjunctivitis. So when you consume this Katu rasa more, it causes lethargy or it causes more of thirst, loss of strength, tremors and body pain. So let's know about the bitter taste. So bitter taste, it improves your taste, it detoxifies, it kills the germs, it kills the worms, it is good for your skin disorders, it reduces the itching, it relieves you from the thirst, it strengthens your body, it stabilizes your body, useful in fever, and it increases your digestive power. So when this bitter taste is consumed more, then it causes the thirst, it causes more of thirst, and you feel lethargic or loss of strength, and tremors in the body is seen. So when we consume this bitter taste in excess, it dries up the fat, bones and muscle. It causes the vata disorders. Now let's know about the astringent taste or the kashaya rasa. So astringent taste is very calming and it is having an healing effect. Like it is very good for your wound healing, bone healing, and it is absorptive in nature. It is constipative and it blocks the channels, or it is good for bleeding disorders. So now when we consume this in excess, when we consume this astringent taste in excess, it causes the dryness of the mouth, the dryness of the skin, and the skin becomes pale. It causes vataja disorders. So these are all about the shadrasas. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.